Updated on-demand storm tracker forecast time. Chief Meteorologist Mike Hurd checking in with you on your weekend weather forecast. Friday afternoon, we did see some snow Friday morning, and that's all melting Friday afternoon. So watch for some wet roads to refreeze as we go into your Friday evening, Saturday morning. And I think you'll see this pretty much repeat again and again over the weekend. It's a mostly dry pattern for the weekend, but with a little bit of sunshine in the afternoon and temperatures getting above freezing, there's going to be some melting even at pass level, and then those wet roads will try and refreeze again as we get into the colder overnight temperatures. Right now we are tracking a high pressure ridge off the coast, and that's going to dominate the pattern for several days, but you can see a pretty large storm system just behind that, and the storm system that moved through Montana this morning is off towards the Great Lakes this afternoon. So currently we are between systems right now, and with the jet stream pattern here, you can see there's a ridge building with a weak northwest flow developing here at the current time. But this ridge pattern will start to shift towards the east, and that should bring slightly warmer than normal temperatures this weekend, but it will also bring in the next weather maker, and that'll be a system that's going to be building up here in northern Canada, dropping down into Montana, but that won't occur until we get into Monday of next week. So again, the weekend right now looking pretty good. So here's a high resolution futurecast product, and again shows some passing clouds, mostly dry conditions, chilly temperatures in the morning, mild temperatures in the afternoon, looking pretty good for travel conditions, but again just re-emphasizing refreezing of wet roads in the morning could lead to some icy conditions early. Here's a longer range forecast model, and again, as I was mentioning just a moment ago, there's a high pressure ridge sitting just off the coast. This will slowly drift inland, but it's also going to sink towards the south and east in time, and then we'll pick up this little system dropping in out of Canada right through Edmonton, and this is going to bring in what we call a backdoor cold front moving from northeast to southwest as we go through Monday morning into Monday afternoon. This does drop a cold front in the region, brings in a quick shot of snow Monday afternoon, evening into Tuesday morning, but it's mostly east the divide, along and east the continental divide. Quick shot of snow early next week, and then we're right back under high pressure, even though clouds will be moving in and out, and a few isolated mountain snow showers are possible next week. And then this model is showing that the next major weather system won't show up until we get into the end of the month, the 30th to the 31st of January. Warm core Pacific storm is going to hit the Pacific Northwest and Northern Rockies, and again, that'll increase the probability of more snow to impact the region. So right now, Butte, you got a beautiful weekend, upper 30s, maybe some lower 40s, nice and mild in the afternoon, but those morning lows in the teens early. A shot of snow is possible Monday, and then it's mostly dry as you look through the rest of next week. Temperatures remaining near to slightly above average. For Bozeman, around 40 degrees Saturday and Sunday, but teens and 20s at night. Watch for a quick shot of snow Monday with that little clipper system, and then Tuesday through Friday of next week is back to mostly dry, near to slightly above average temperatures return. Dillon, it looks mostly dry. I think that little clipper system is going to stay way to the north and east of you on Monday. Could be a bit on the windy side and a slight cool down for the first couple of days of next week, but right now the weekend looking favorable, and I'm giving you a mostly dry pattern right through the next 7 days. And West Yellowstone, that front may bring some snow Monday, but right now there's a little bit of uncertainty on that, but something we'll keep an eye on updated forecast models as we go through the weekend. But 20s and 30s for highs, that's not too bad this time of the year. But under clear to partly cloudy skies at night, it can get a little cold. Again, down the single digits. Don't be too surprised if you see some negative single digit lows in the early morning hours if you have clear enough skies later next week.